20-ton hydraulic press. So because the hydraulic press is a little bit taller than our high lift jack, we'll have to recut, put another cut on the top side there to give it plenty of room to fit in. Same thing we did before, just really taking our time, be careful, and cut no deeper than we need to. Okay, so we got the 20-tonner in there, and I even kind of carve out a little hollow right there, make sure that it gets back in there as far as possible. It looks like we got plenty of room. This is a pretty big jack. We have a good base plate, that's not going to go anywhere, so we'll use the aluminum to spread the weight so we don't just punch the jack up into the wood. And now this is going to give us a much more controlled ability to move it nice and slow. Timber!